Want to know how to change your name or your username in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi AI website. So you can just simply head towards kimi.com on your web browser, and this should open up right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And on the bottom left side, you should be seeing your profile right here. Just simply take that and hit towards settings right here. So once you're on the settings, you should be seeing your profile. Just simply select it again. And now once after you get the profile, you should be under account settings. So you can just simply change the username by selecting this right here and change it to anything that you like. And once you're done, just simply select save and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.